If you have not done in the previous class, some of you might have not completed it. So just complete it right now. Complete it. Complete this question.
I have to only write the answers.
No, you have to write down the question as well.
I have written a question already.
What have you done?
No, I have written question already.
What question?
Ma'am, I have written question already.
Already. Okay, those have written the, because I'm sharing this, because I have already shared this. Some of you might have not completed it on time. That's why I'm sharing it again. That's why I'm sharing it again. Some of you might have not done it. That's why I'm sharing. Just do it if you have not done it. By the time others are entering, you just complete this work. Only 11 students are there. Now let's discuss. As you can see, page number 163. Take out books. In your books also take out page number 163. And let's check what is there. So in the graph, it is given to you in the book itself. Okay, so if you see how much money was spent on food, how much money was spent on tent, sorry, how much money is spent on tent, how much money is spent on tent?
15,000.
How much? 50,000. 15,000. Yes, it is 15,000. So you will write rupees sign. Oh, I don't have rupees sign here. So I will use rupees here. Rupees. I'm not having the rupees sign, so I'm writing rupees here. You can just put the rupees sign. Rupees 15,000. I can do one thing. I can just copy paste it. Just give me a second. Rupees sign. I got it. Yeah, so here I will write just rupees 15,000. You also write rupees. Do not write 15,000 or simply. Here it should be rupees 15,000. Okay, how much less money is spent on flowers than on food? First of all, you see how much money is spent on food. How much money is spent on food? First of all, see this. How much money is spent on food?
20,000.
20,000 was spent on food. Minus how much money is spent on flowers?
10,000.
10,000.
Ma'am,
So how much is left? So how much is, what is the answer?
1,000.
10,000. 1,000 nahi, 10,000. There should be 4 zeros. There should be 4 zeros. Which item has least expenses? Least I told you. It means which item has the least expenses? Huh?
Ma'am, flower. Ma'am,
Flowers.
flowers.
Flowers nahi, flowers. Okay, flowers. How much money is spent on clothes than food? How much more money is spent on clothes than food? This is also quite longer one. I didn't left much space here.
Ma'am,
So how much more is spent on clothes than food? So you can tell how much money is spent on clothes. How much money is spent on clothes? Clothes पे कितना खर्च? अरे बेटा clothes पे कितना खर्च हुआ है?
Ma'am, 35,000.
35,000. Okay. Minus how much money is spent on food?
Ma'am, 20,000.
20,000. So what is the subtraction? We get the answer. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 15,000.
15,000. 15,000 is the answer. Okay, how much money is spent on jewelry and clothes? That means you have to add them. Jewelry as well as clothes. Okay, jewelry and clothes means we have to add them both. Okay, समर पहले मुझे बोलने दो बेटा. Let me speak. Okay, first let me speak. Will you let me speak? Okay, how much money is spent on jewelry and clothes? When there is word and, that means you have to add them. Okay, jewelry और clothes दोनों पर कितना हुआ है? They are asking jewelry and clothes. So how much is the total one?
Ma'am, the clothes of jewelry is 50,000.
Jewelry, it is 50,000. Jewelry नहीं होता, it's jewelry in 15,000 plus. How much is
Jewelry
spent on the clothes? How much is spent on clothes?
10 clothes are 35,000.
On clothes, it is spent 35,000. Start
And
them
the
and
answer-
check your answer.
And the answer is 40,000.
No,
Ma'am,
75,000. 85,000, sorry, 85,000.
ma'am, the answer is 85,000.
Yes. Check your answers carefully. Don't make it wrong. Don't do it wrong. We have done this chapter in the notebook now. This exercise in the notebook. Now only pie chart is left. Acha, you have to do one activity, everyone. Just do it. First check your answers, then I'll tell you about the activity. What is the activity?
Ma'am, my answer is correct. I checked all correct.
Okay.
And my also.
Now the activity for you here. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing it. If you have not done it, take a screenshot of it. Those who have not done it, take a screenshot of it. जिसने नहीं किया है वो screenshot ले लो. Because I'm going to stop sharing this. So take a screenshot of it. Okay, now let me stop sharing this one. Now let us start with the activity. What is the activity you have to do now? Just give me a second. Okay. Is it visible? The board is visible, I hope so. Clearly to you. Is it clearly visible? Okay. So the activity for you is, there is one week activity. Weekly activity. Week activity 1. Week activity 1. Okay. So the first activity will be like, you have to make one bar graph. You have to make one bar graph. Not on your maths notebook, on a sheet of paper. You have to make one bar graph, or on a board itself if you have a board at home, about the favorite fruits of your classmates. Favorite fruits और height का भी है. Height का we will do afterwards. First you will do a favorite fruits का bar graph बनाना है. Please switch on your cameras first of all. Please do switch on your cameras. Please switch on your cameras. Everyone. Samar, switch on your camera. Imad, switch on your camera. Avni, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, we have to make one copy.
Hridyansh, अच्छा हृदयांश का नहीं होता. Divyanshu, switch on your camera. Divyang, Premi, he never speak. अभी मैं बता रही हूँ ना बेटा इमाद. अभी मैं बता रही हूँ ना क्या करना है. You have to wait for some time. This is not a way. बेटा मुझे बात नहीं करने दोगे. How will you come to know what I'm speaking? Avni, switch on your camera. Mehul का नहीं होता. Imad, camera. Pratyusha, camera. Everyone switch on your cameras. Akshat Sahu, switch on your camera. This is not a way you are sitting behind the camera and not opening it and just speaking. I will not listen to the single person, those who are not switching on the cameras. I'm not going to listen to them. And please switch your mics off. Yeah. Now see, what you have to do, कहाँ करनी है, क्या करनी है, ध्यान से सुनना एक बार में. और Imad, especially you, listen carefully. You have to make a bar graph on a sheet of paper or on a board itself. This is just an activity. This is just an activity of the favorite fruits of your class. There are class, some in your class there are some students. You have to collect that data कि सबका favorite fruit कौन सा है. You can select any 5 fruits. कोई भी 5 fruits ले लो आप. Okay. उनका data सारा collect हो जाएगा. Then you have to make one bar graph on a sheet of paper, and then you can make either you can make a video and decorate that graph. उस ग्राफ को डेकोरेट करना है, and you have to either you can make a video also explaining that graph. Suppose that you made one graph here like this apple, mango, something or anything. Just an example I'm taking. 5, 10. So you can tell 5 is most of the students like the mango. Most of the students of my class like the mango. The least number of students like explaining this thing. You can make one video. Okay, you can make one video like explaining these things. This term, this much students like this thing, this much student like this thing, this much students like these things. Understood? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
एक बार फिर से बता रही हूँ मैं, एक बार फिर से बता रही हूँ, फिर से समझ में आ जाएगा. या आप वीडियो बना लो, या आप मुझे सिंपल सा आप इसे डेकोरेट करो, इस ग्राफ को कलरिंग कर दो, एंड यू कैन जस्ट take a picture of it. You can send it to me, or you can just make a video explaining this graph on a sheet of paper. आपने दिया, suppose this is my sheet of paper and explaining this. This is my graph, so I'm explaining. Most of the students in my class like this fruit. Most of the students, less number of children like this much fruit. The 10 students like this. You can explain making a video. Okay, on any sheet of paper you can do, but decorate it and make it. अच्छा, ये कैसे करोगे कि किसको क्या पसंद है क्लास में, है ना? अभी एक 2 ग्राफ यू हैव टू मेक. एक तो फ्रूट्स का बनाना है, अभी हाइट का भी बनाना है बाद में. तो अभी जो है आई एम आस्किंग वन बाय वन. यू कैन डू वन थिंग. You can type your favorite fruit in the WhatsApp group. Okay, let me select any 5 fruits. Tell me any 5 fruits you want to select. कोई भी 5 fruits बता दो मुझे. Apple, I can listen.
Apple,
हाँ.
mango,
Orange,
banana,
one more, one more. हाँ, मुझे किसी को पसंद नहीं होगा तो मुझे पता ही है. अच्छा चलो, फ्रूट्स का नहीं, फूड का कर लेते हैं. फेवरेट फूड का कर लेते हैं. ओके, फेवरेट फूड का बनाते हैं. फेवरेट फूड का पैराग्राफ बनाते हैं. ओके, so now tell me which is the favorite no any 5 dishes name, any 5 food name.
burger, pizza,
बर्गर, पिज्जा, बस यही याद रहता है ना? बर्गर, पिज्जा, हाँ,
pasta,
ओके, पास्ता. 2 more.
noodles, pastries,
Pastry.
ma'am,
Okay.
patties,
पैटी नहीं लेते हैं, कुछ और.
ma'am, chocolate, ma'am, samosa,
समोसा नहीं.
momos,
अच्छा, momos we can take. Okay, we are taking all other food like this, fast food. We can take momos. Okay, out of these 5 fruits, see, हाँ, अवनी, you can do it, बेटा, and make a video. अगर आप जितनी अच्छी वीडियो बनाओगे, it will be better for you. आप अच्छी से अच्छी वीडियो बनाओ. This is just an activity. You participate in the activities. It is just an activity. It is all up to you. मैंने जैसे आपको मन करता है वैसे आप बनाओ इसका. जैसे एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हो वैसे ही करो. What happened, beta? Okay, I am typing these 5 fruits, these 5 food. आप इन 5 में से आप बेटा कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. मैं आपके व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप कर दे रही हूँ. ठीक है, आप अपना अपना टाइप कर दो. ठीक है. बर्गर, ओके, बर्गर, पिज्जा. आई एम टाइपिंग ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. इनमें से कोई एक सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, You have to select any one. Pizza, pasta, सब अपना अपना लिख लो और सब नोट डाउन कर लोगे कि किसका कौन सा है. If you don't know the name, type the numbers. अब ये चेक कर लेना किसके कितनी है. Pastries and momos. Okay. Out of those 5, type your best food. Okay. काउंट कर लो किसका क्या क्या आ रहा है और 1 टाइम लिखना है, बार बार नहीं टाइप करना है. 1 टाइम. Beta, tomorrow we have, I think we have the class tomorrow. Tomorrow in my period itself. Beta, you can share it day after tomorrow on Saturday. Beta, I will what जब total हो जाएंगे ना, we will WhatsApp. I will WhatsApp you the numbers किसका कितना है. Okay. चलो, let's start the next question. Take out your books, page number 163. Page 163 in your maths book. Maths, page 163. I think I should do it that side. This I will tell you the numbers of these one afterwards. इनका मैं नंबर बाद में बताऊंगी आपको कितना कितना है. I must put this side. Now everyone, you have to take out your maths book. Page 163. You have to do the work in book itself. Please type your answers in the WhatsApp. मेरे पास बहुत कम आंसर्स आए हैं अभी. I got only how many answers? In 4th D, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ma'am, we have to send this work.
No, ये वाला, ये this one.
No, ma'am, question 2.
नहीं. Maths book में निकालो same question. Question A we have done, I think, in the book. Book में हमने question A कर लिया है ना? Have we done question A in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will start question B in the book itself. Okay, question B. How much money was spent on food? Take out your books and write. Just tell me this one. How much money is spent on food?
20,000.
How much money is spent on food? 20,000. Write rupees 20,000 in front of it. You have a space over there. Just write 20,000 there. Okay, now write second question. How much more money was spent on jewelry than on clothes? How much more money was spent on jewelry than on clothes? How much money is spent on jewelry? First of all, tell me that. How much money is spent on jewelry?
50,000.
How much money? 50,000 is spent on jewelry. Yes, 50,000 is spent on jewelry. Then you will subtract the amount which was spent on clothes. How much amount is spent on the clothes? I think because of light pronunciation. Huh?
And the light is coming on road.
How much thousand?
35.
And ma'am, on clothes it was rupees 35,000.
35,000. When you will subtract it, you will get here rupees 15,000. Beta, there is another method to solve it. What is the another method to solve it? See here, as you can see in the book, if you can see the book properly, if you can see the gap here between food and clothes, between the food, clothes and jewelry, there is 1, 2, 3 gaps. How many gaps are there? 3 gaps are there. And 5 number is given. 3 5s are 15,000 also you can do. Okay, now the third question is, okay, now the third one is, on which item did the maximum and minimum expenditure take place? So write maximum, how much is spent on what? Maximum expenditure take place on which item?
Ma'am, maximum was spent on clothes.
Maximum on clothes. Beta, let's see the longest line. Longest line किसकी है?
Jewelry.
हाँ?
Ma'am, jewelry.
Jewelry. Maximum of jewelry and minimum on
Ma'am, clothes.
clothes. Flowers. बेटा flowers की line सबसे छोटी है. Now fourth one is on how much less money was spent on flowers than on tent. First of all, see how much money is spent on tent.
Ma'am, 15,000.
15,000. And how much money is spent on flowers?
Ma'am, 10,000. Ma'am,
10,000. So the answer will be rupees 5,000. Or you can see how much is the space between them. So one space is there in between them. So you can say 5,000. One kiske liye? 1, 5, 5, 1 is 5, 5,000. Understood? Copy this down quickly. Okay, on Saturday your test is also there, and secondly you have to submit that activity also. Okay, now let us begin with the next exercise, that is about the pie charts. Let us start with the next activity, that is about pie charts. What is a pie chart? Okay, let's start with the next activity, that is about pie chart. So pie chart is a kind of graph. Okay, a kind of graph. Suppose a pie chart, it is given on page number 164. A pie chart or a circle graph, it is actually a circle graph. It is a graph in the form of a circle. What is a pie chart? It is a graph in the form of a circle. Okay, it's used to compare parts of quantities of a bigger quantity which is divided into many parts. For example, let us see half of the students like burger and half of the students like pizza. So I'll represent like this, burger and pizza. And I will color it with different colors. मैं इसको different colors से color कर दूंगी. तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा pie chart. Up now if I say 1/3 of the students, suppose I can say, wait. Okay, we'll start this in the next period because meeting is going to be over. We'll start this in the next period. Okay. Till then, prepare that. I will show you it, send you that thing. Okay. The meeting is over now. Bye everyone. I'll just send you that numbers and prepare.